Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will see the RRB previous year's questions and previous exams only we are referred and we are explained in and uploaded in YouTube. Today we will see the first question. Which of the following organ breaks fats to produce cholesterol? Option A liver, option B lungs, option C kidney, option D pancreas. Option A is the right answer. Next one. Insulin was discovered by option A. F. Banting, option B. Frederick Sanger, option D. Danner, option D. Robert Koch. Option B is the right answer. Frederick Sanger is the insulin discovered. Next, digestion of protein starts from option A. Small intestine, option B. Large intestine, option C. Mouth, option D. Stomach. Option D is the right answer. Digestion of protein starts from stomach. Next, bile is produced by option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D appendix. The bile is produced by the liver. Option A is the right answer. Next, bile is stored in option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D gallbladder. The bile is stored in gallbladder is the right answer. Next, which of the following is a good source of vitamin E? Option A egg, option B fish, option C meat, option D fresh vegetable. Fresh vegetable is the right answer. Next, the term used for bad breath from mouth is called halitosis is the right answer. Next, the amount of protein required by an Indian adult per day is option A 1 gram per kg body weight, 2 gram per kg body weight, option C 1.5 gram per kg body weight, option D 2.5 grams per kg body weight. Option A is the right answer. 1 gram per kg body weight of protein daily requirement in adult. Next one. The precursor of vitamin A. Option A carotene, option B retinol, option C calciferol, option D nicotinic acid. Option A is the right answer. Carotene is the precursor of vitamin A. Next, 10th question. The daily requirement of vitamin D by an adult is option A 2 microgram per day, option B 2.5 microgram per day, option C 3 microgram per day, option D 4 microgram per day. The daily requirement of vitamin D in adult is option A 2 microgram per day. Next one, the vitamin D deficiency in children cause option A osteoporosis, option B rickets, option C bone malignancies, option D osteomalacia. Option B is the right answer. The vitamin D deficiency in children occur the rickets disease. Next, vitamin which prevents the hemorrhages. Option A vitamin K, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin E. Option A is the right answer. Vitamin K is the vitamin prevent hemorrhage. Next one, the vitamin which is essential for proper functioning of nervous system. Option A vitamin K, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin E. Option A is the right answer. Next one, the beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of option A vitamin B1, option D vitamin B2, option C vitamin B6, option D vitamin B12. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1 is the right answer. Next, the vitamin which is involved in fat, protein and carbohydrate metabolism. Which vitamin metabolism is including the fat, protein, carbohydrate is riboflavin is the right answer. Next, pellagra is caused due to the deficiency of option A niacin, option B ascorbic acid, option C riboflavin, option D pantothenic acid. Pellagra is caused due to the deficiency of niacin is the right answer. Next, the daily requirement of folic acid for adult is option A 50 microgram, option B 100 microgram, option D C 30 microgram, option D 200 microgram. The daily requirement of folic acid is 100 microgram per day, adults. Next, the pernicious anemia is caused due to the deficiency of option A B1, vitamin B1, option B vitamin B2, option C vitamin B6, option D vitamin B12. Option 12 B2 vitamin B12 is the right answer. Next, the deficiency of vitamin C results in option A scurvy, option A night blindness, option C osteomyelitis, option D alopecia. Scurvy is the right answer. Vitamin C results in deficiency of scurvy disease. Next, according to the RDA, the normal daily requirement of protein in adult is option A 1 gram body weight, option B 2 gram per body weight, option C 3 gram per body weight, option D 1.5 gram per body weight. The protein required in daily adults in 1 gram per body weight. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe and share my channel, like and comments. Thank you.